Hi crafty friends, Lacey here, the Cheeky Bomb, and today I'm coming on with a project share. So this is an outgoing swap, and this is for Enos's Fruity Patootie swap. I had the Tutti Frutti swap, and she's like, oh, I want to do a fruit swap. I was like, they're more the merrier, people love fruit. So she did the Fruity Patootie swap. So anyway, I am getting into this one. So I'll link, or I'll post all her requirements up in the corner. But she wanted a basket with a tag flip, a Slimline embellishment box, a couple bag toppers, and some other things. Again, I'll put it up. It's been a while. I've worked on this for a little bit, but I was catching up on my swaps and stuff too. So glad she did this, and she even extended the date for us for a little bit, so that was even greater. So I have this, I did a lemon theme. It was any fruit. I thought about doing more like a fruit salad, but I had this paper pad. Let's see, what is it? I have this paper pad right here that I've just been dying to dig into a little bit more. I've only done one little project out of this, and I still have some. I love this, and I think I might have to repurchase this. Like when they go on sale, I think I have to repurchase it. The only thing I wish is that it had a few more lemon papers in here. I did bring in a couple other ones that matched it real well. But anyway, I'll get into it. So we had a container. I found this teal like berry box, so I was like, oh, this worked out perfect. I embellished it a little bit. This is all hot glue, so it can be easily taken off and used for whatever else you want. So I have my tag flip right here. So this first one is just one of these coasters, like chipboard coasters from the Dollar Tree. On one side I put it's the Tim Holtz. I think it's like candy glaze or something. It basically is just kind of glitter, like a slight shimmer glitter. And I decorated on this side. I have this die, and I don't know what it is. I think it's some kind of like Sizzix die, and it's just for like some foliage. And I'm pretty sure these are not lemons, but I just cut them out of yellow because I just like the way it looks. I don't know why. So here's this first one. It's just got, I don't know, this rosette type of dye I had that's fruit. I just kind of like layered it up, put a lemon in here, put some foliage and a flower. It's just what I liked. So I have this tag right here, and I actually have it labeled sequence because you just slide this out right here, and we have this little container that's got little clay bits and little jemmies. This is from the Dollar Tree, but I thought it was so cute that I wanted to incorporate that. So I just kind of stuck it on my tag like so. On this one, I had gotten this lemonade stand in a swap, and sorry, I cannot remember, from, I think it was from Samantha. I'm not 100% sure. I've gotten so much stuff that I tried to like bash my stash a little bit and shot from what I had. I put this lemonade word on the top, added some stickers and more of this like lemony foliage off to the side here. And then this one's got a shaker frame. It's just got a lemon. It's got a little dangle. Just cute. I left it in like, I didn't fill it up too much because I wanted you to be able to see the lemon paper on the back. Yeah, it's just kind of what that is. And then of course I have some lemony words here. This bag topper again is from the stash. I've just added a little loop here so that I could put it on a tag and on a bag on a tag. And this little container here, I have more of like a traditional sequin mix. So it's got a sequin mix in here. And I just created a little belly band for it. This one's got clay bits. It's got some flowers. It's yellow, it's teal, it's white. It's really pretty. And then I have this little Scrap Diva. I don't know, it's like a little envelope. I don't remember what it's called, to be honest, but you can put like other things in it, but I put my bag toppers in it. So again, I kind of used my stash. So I had gotten a couple of these lemon bag toppers and they were pretty plain. This one didn't have this piece on it, so I cut that out of like a coordinating glitter, and then just layered it up with some ephemera. Same way with this one. I've added tickets, I've added some of that lemon foliage, I've put a rosette, and I added like a little lemon die cut. They're hard to see. See, it's just more of like an imprinted lemon on that one. Yeah, I have so much fruity stuff that I'll be like, I have stuff in my stash for like ever, so had to share. I have this little lemon bag and it's got some socks in it. I have this little lemon notebook, like sticky note stack. I got this at the dollar store last year or the year before. I don't know, it's just kind of been in my stash, but I thought that it fit the theme, so I did that. I also made some chunky rosettes and did glitter and clay bits all on the outsides. So you have those. I haven't made some of those in a while, so I had fun with those. Add all this back in here. And then here is my Slimline trinket box. So I created, oh, you know what, I'm so mad because I just realized it. So I decorated it, oh, so cute, and it opens like this. Oh, I'm so mad at myself. Well, A for effort, right? Oh my gosh, I can't believe I didn't even notice that. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. Well, I'm not going to redo it because I need to stick this in the mail, and I actually worked really hard on this. So this is the Simple Stories, like vintage, it's vintage something or other. I've had these chipboards in my stash for a while, some more bits of ephemera. I made some tiny little flowers, more of that little foliage I did. This little lemon shaker came out of my stash, and a flower. You open it up backwards, and here's my little trinket box. So this is what I've done. I've got paper clips on the side and like little shaker fruits over on the side. It's so funny because a lot of the stuff I had ordered from Ally, Temu and stuff is a whole bunch of stuff that I've ended up getting back in swaps. This one is just kind of charms. We have a little bunny. It's holding a strawberry. We got some of these chunky strawberries. I've got so many of these because I had a bunch in my stash. Got a bunch more. Got some watermelons and some of these other strawberries that we've all gotten as well. I want to make sure that this is going to close. This one is just all kinds of fruit clay bits, or clay bits. They're not bits, they're beads. So I've gotten so many of these. I still got more. I had a bunch from the last year or two. And this one has got buttons. I've got some cherry buttons. These are from Hobby Lobby. These lemon ones are from Hobby Lobby. These ones, I can't remember where I've gotten these ones from, but I got a bunch of these because I got these last year. I got these ones this year. These ones came from my stash from last year. I think most likely they were Hobby Lobby as well. Here I have those little strawberry, little sequin fruits. Got a little strawberry patch. And this one is a bunch of the nail charms, the fruit nail charms, and these little ones I've gotten from Temu as well. They're just like little like candy wrappers that have different fruits on there, and avocado is obviously a fruit as well, so those are in there. And then in this one are like flatbacks. So I have flowers with strawberries in them. I've gotten these ones that have fruits in them, and then strawberry little flatbacks. Again, I think all probably from Temu as well. So that's my trinket box. Wow, I'm so mad that I did this backwards. It's really cute though. I also picked up this lemon cup, and I've filled it with rosettes. That was cute. I also have this fruit notepad. I've got a couple sets of fruity stickers. I've got a fruit paper pad. I've bought in so many of these from, I think I bought like 5 or 6 of them, I think now, from Joann's. And then I think I don't think I've gotten one back. No, I've gotten summer ones back. But this is a great notepad and I really love it. And you know, they're just great. So anytime I was able to find the 6x8, I picked them up because I think these are great, and I've given them out in other swaps as well this year because they're perfect. I have these lemon clips. I got some lemon heads and then a lemon reusable bag. So that's all the stuff for my partner. I have a lot of some of the same things for Enos. I also have a candle that I'm going to give her, and I made this folio. Is it going to be this? I think so. I'll link this folio down below. I can't remember who it was by, but I wanted to make her something a little different than all the fruit stuff that she was getting. I didn't want to make her a trinket box or a tag clip because, you know, as a host myself, I know that you just get a lot of the same stuff. So I chose to make her one of these folios instead, and I used that fresh air notepad and just kind of made it my own. I just love the yellows and the blue colors. Like, those are just some of my faves. This was the first time making this folio, and I did forget my front closure magnet. Like, I did this one and I was like, and I had already put the paper on and forgot to magnetize this side. So this one's got Velcro, but I think she'll like it. I had a lot of fun making this and it's so pretty. I'm definitely going to be making more of these because I just love it. And I think I have enough out of this pad, paper pad, to make another one because these colors are just gorgeous. So I think I'll be making another one of those. Again, I have a candle for her and some of the other goodies, chip clips and the reusable bag and stuff like that. So I'm super excited. I'm putting everything in these lemon bags that I've had in my stash for a while. I think I got these at Hobby Lobby on clearance, like with a whole bunch of other fruit bags. So I'm going to be using these because it's the perfect colors and it works out great. So I'm going to pop that in the mail. I'll link the tutorial for this folio down below. I really like it and it's a pretty easy tutorial, and I definitely will be using these again. And I really like how everything turned out. I love the color scheme, the yellows and blues. I'm really disappointed in myself over this box. I can't believe that I did things upside down. But I love a good theme. I think that I'm also gonna make a couple pom-poms to hang on the bags as well. Some Chanel yarn pom-poms, and yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, let me know below. I will also link Enos's channel and her playlist. I'm sure she's probably got a playlist of all these fruity Patootie swap reveals. I've loved watching everybody's creativity. It's so fun. I've had so much fun working with fruit, but now that my swap is done and I've got this out, I don't want to see fruit for a little bit. I'm on to bigger and better things. I think now I'm working on, I have the Melt With Me swap that's going to be starting any day, if not already by the time you see this video. So that's an ice cream swap that's going to be coming in. That's open until July 22nd. So if you're interested, you still have time to jump on that. And I have a 4th of July swap that I'm working on right now. But other than that, I've just got a couple like personal, like one-on-one swaps. I might try to do a couple more of the open swaps if I have time, but I'm going to be working on switching out my craft room in the next couple weeks. I know it's going to take me a couple weeks, which is irritating. I wish I could just move everything in one day, but I have to, you know, do some painting. I have to do some refurbishing of some furniture and stuff like that. So exciting stuff coming. So thank you for watching. Again, if you have any questions, let me know below, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.